Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku.co chart of the day. Just going through some overseas markets quickly on the daily charts, and firstly to the Nikkei 225 Japanese markets. Change of trend to the downside, but finding support under the at the top of the Ichimoku cloud and just below the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen. Fairly neutral market in those fast time frames, but just slightly bullish by closing above the Ichimoku cloud. Looking at the DAX, Germany, and here we see a negative market trading down below each of the Ichimoku indicators. Trending down fairly solidly and not looking overextended, but support coming in around these lows about the 12.095 level. The market being rejected from the Tenkan-sen, watching Tenkan-sen resistance at 12216. Momentum is to the downside, shown by the Chiker span below the corresponding price action, so a negative market in all three time frames. The FTSE 100 trading within the cloud, so a neutral market in big picture terms, and market that's just slightly bullish in the faster time frames, finding resistance on multiple occasions around the top of the cloud. There will be an opportunity in about 3 or 4 days' time with a very thin cloud, so we might see a break in either direction. Support coming in around the bottom of the cloud around the 7345 level, and resistance around the 7480 region. Over to the CAC and the French markets, and negative market in all three time frames, trading below each of the Ichimoku indicators. Buyers coming in here today with a white body candle and possible reversion back towards the Tenkan-sen. We'll be looking for resistance. Tenkan-sen trades at 5151. The Chiker span is supporting negative momentum and suggesting we could see further downside. The Straits Times Index in Singapore, and bull market in all three time frames, strongly supported by the Chiker span. Solid support coming in at the Tenkan-sen at 3324. Breakdown below there could see the market finding equilibrium down towards the Kijun-sen at 3275. Over to Malaysia, the KL index, and here we see market trading within the cloud, very different than the Singapore market, a neutral market in big picture terms, only just slightly bullish in the fast and medium term time frames. Potential for strong support around the bottom of the cloud, with the Kijun-sen, Tenkan-sen trading around there at 1762, and resistance at the top of the cloud around the 1780 level. To Indian markets and the Nifty, and here we see selling over the last couple of days, black body candles, sellers in control. Good solid uptrending activity over the last month or so, trading above the Tenkan-sen and continually finding support there and just closing around the Tenkan-sen. Bearish activity down below there could see a reversion back towards the Kijun-sen to find support around 9793.